Hey everyone, it's 30 degrees, it's hot, it's sunny, but what a great day to get a good sweat going. In this video, I'm going to be doing one jump rope move for the entire duration. I'm keeping it very simple. No need to complicate things sometimes. Life can be complicated enough. We can still get great cardiovascular and workout benefits from focusing on just one jump rope move during our workout. And that's what I'm doing here today. The jump rope jog step. I'm a little bit limited on time, so I set my timer for approximately 22 minutes. And the reason I did that is, one, as I just said, I'm limited on time. But two, most people, if they do the jog step for 11 minutes, they can cover 1 mile. So basically I'll be doing 2 miles, if not more, during this workout, if I was to run on a road using this jog step. And if you want, you can vary the intensity at which you do the jog step by simply spinning the rope slower, as I am doing here, or spinning the rope faster. So you can increase or decrease the intensity during your workout. I'll provide some commentary throughout this video, but nothing fancy. Just doing the basic jump rope jog step. And I'll do it while I move around, forwards, backwards, around in circles. And you could do it even just standing in the same place. So nothing complicated about this workout. It doesn't have to be. Really key with exercise is just consistency. Just great to get outside, especially if it's sunny, get some vitamin D, some fresh air, move your body, get the oxygen circulating, get a good sweat going, go inside, shower, and then refuel. Fantastic way to start the day.
You know, oftentimes people give up exercise or give up other things in their lives because the process is too complicated. But if we can remove some complexity and make things more simple, it can be a lot easier just to carry out a certain task. And then once you're able to carry out a certain task, then you can add another element of difficulty to it. But we don't have to make everything in our lives so complicated. The great Bruce Lee used to say, "I don't fear a person who has practiced 10,000 kicks. I fear a person who has practiced one kick 10,000 times." Sometimes people sign up to a gym and they're given a program to follow, and the program consists of so many different movements for each muscle group.
No big deal.
It can just lead to
pick up where
frustration,
but
rather if the person is just given a few different exercises.
Do the same jump rope move for a long duration. Sometimes your mind can almost forget that you're actually doing the activity. It just becomes habit, spinning the rope and moving your feet. So much so that sometimes you might trip on the rope. That's okay. Just begin again.
So yeah, if you find that you're becoming frustrated with exercise because it's too complicated, make it simple. Focus on doing one movement. Let's say one day you just want to do push-ups, for example. Just do push-ups. One day do squats. One day do chin-ups, pull-ups. Do some hangs from bars. Focus on just doing one movement. And here when I'm doing the jump rope jog step, just notice that my feet aren't coming high off the ground. That's really important. And I'm not smacking my feet off the ground. My toes and the balls of my feet are just gently touching the ground with each hop. The lower you jump off the ground, the less impact you're placing on your body. And that comes with practice. Notice there too, my upper arms are close to the sides of my body, so I'm not using my upper arms to swing the rope. If you're new to jumping rope and you find that your shoulders are becoming really tired, watch out, make sure that you're not swinging the rope using your upper arms. Keep your upper arms close to the sides of your body. Focus on spinning the rope using your wrists And your elbows and forearms will also be.
It's nice when you set your timer for a set duration, as I did here today, 22 minutes, and you're only using one jump rope move. It's very peaceful for your mind. You don't have to keep changing jump rope moves. You don't have to worry about jumping rope for say a minute, resting, beginning another movement. All you have to do is do one jump rope move and just do it until the timer rings. Very little to focus on. Just enjoy getting outside or exercising indoors if you like. Moving your body. Enjoy the process. If you're only focusing on one move, you can just let your mind sometimes wander, think about other things in your life. Just enjoy the movement.
Also notice here, if you're new to jumping rope, my upper body, I'm not hunched over or I'm not leaning over a lot. I'm standing rather upright, and doing so opens up your lungs and your chest, making it easier to breathe. If you're hunched over, you'll find that your lower back might ache, and you might experience some back fatigue or back pain. So try to stand relatively upright. Keep your body relaxed at the same time though. Notice my knees. There's a slight bend in them with each jump, but not an excessive knee bend. And also notice my thumb. I keep my thumbs on top of the jump rope handles. Doing so makes it easier to spin the rope and gives you greater control over the rope. So if you've never done a workout like this, I highly encourage you to try it. Just pick one movement. Set your timer for maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes, or do the same movement in sets. Maybe do 1 minute of the movement and then rest for 30 seconds. Do the movement again for 1 minute. Of course, if you do this type of workout, you're going to have to choose a movement that is not too tiring. For example, it might be difficult to do such a workout using double unders. You might not be able to do double unders for 2 minutes straight for several sets, for example. So you want to choose a movement that isn't too intense, but you can add intensity to the movement. For example, if I want to make the jump rope jog step more intense, I simply have to spin the rope faster. And most other moves too. If you're doing the basic 2-foot hop, spin the rope faster, and that's going to force you to jump quicker, jump more often. Jump rope, the basic 2-foot hop, is a really tiring move for your lower legs. So if you're new to jumping rope, don't be surprised if you find it difficult to do that movement for long periods of time. If you're new to jumping rope and you're doing the basic 2-foot hop, but you find your legs getting tired, that's normal. It is a tiring move. I actually made a video talking about how good the jump rope 2-foot hop move is for targeting the calf muscles and your lower legs. So oftentimes when people learn how to jump rope, first they begin with the basic 2-foot hop, and then soon thereafter they start incorporating other moves, because the 2-foot hop is tiring and it is difficult to perform for long periods of time. Oftentimes after people learn the 2-foot hop, they want to learn moves such as the jog step here or a boxer skip, because those moves involve shifting your body weight from one leg to the other, so each leg is getting a momentary rest. Whereas when you do the 2-foot hop, each leg is being engaged with each hop, so it can be very tiring. If you ever watch professional boxers jump rope, you'll notice that they don't do the 2-foot hop very often or for very long when they do it. So here, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, the weather was really hot, And if you're working outside, exercising outside in warm temperatures, just keep an eye on your hydration levels. Make sure you're properly hydrated before and afterwards. And if it's very sunny, you might want to wear a sunscreen. Just make sure your skin's not getting burned. I tend not to wear sunscreen on my arms or legs unless I'm going to be out in the sun for a long time. I've built a lot of sun resistance on my legs because I spend quite a bit of, and my arms because I spend quite a bit of time in the sun. But for example, if I'm going to be outside for several hours, I will put some sunscreen on. And because I don't have too much hair on the top of my head, I often put sunscreen on. But yeah, hydration in warm weather is very important. And also, if you're sweating a lot, make sure you're taking in enough electrolytes and minerals, potassium, good sodium. I like Celtic sea salt, magnesium, calcium. Minerals are extremely important for athletes. If you don't get enough potassium, it can really lead to cramping and fatigue. Same with calcium and magnesium. They help to relax your muscles and help your muscles contract. If you want to perform at a high level, and sodium too, you need to have adequate minerals. Oftentimes people focus a lot on vitamins. We often hear about vitamins and vitamins and vitamins, but really minerals are extremely important, I believe. Oftentimes throughout the day, I'll drink some water and I'll throw a pinch of good quality sea salt into the water. So as you can see it again there from the side, my upper arms, they remain close to the sides of my body. If you're new to jumping rope, really focus on trying to do the same. It's a lot more efficient technique than using your upper arms. Certain jump rope moves, more advanced moves, might involve using your upper arms to some extent, but with a lot of jump rope moves, you want to keep your upper arms close to the sides of your body. Keep your upper arms relaxed.